Hello beauties, it's me, Wangali from Two Chic Chicks. I'm here with a video. My video today is going to be actually a review, and my review is going to be on Cécred. Yes, I know. I'm late to the bandwagon, but better late than never. The reason probably why I'm so late is because it's another star putting out something. You know how people are when the stars do something. You know, they overhype it. And we know how Beyonce's people are, the Beehive. So I just took it was just going to be another overhyped product. Let me tell you, no ma'am. The hype came with backup. Do you hear? The hype came with backup. I just did my hair. Let me get a little closer so you can just see the hype. Let me just tell you, I picked 3 kits up. 2 of the kits are the same and one isn't. But it's the double cleanse kit. I'm gonna tell you, this is great. The hydration is a hydrating shampoo, conditioner, and then it's a hydrating, clarifying shampoo. Now I haven't used the clarifying shampoo because I didn't need to have to clarify my hair just yet. But the conditioner and the shampoo, now I'm gonna tell you, for me, the shampoo was okay. But then you did the conditioner, and then I added my hair steamer to it with a little of her hair oil, a whole new thing. It was a total different meaning to because when I first used it, I'm gonna be honest, on my first, let me just tell you my first opinion about it. It was like, then the conditioner was like, it was okay. And I said, well, I gotta give it a little chance. I did. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm willing to buy the larger bottles because what I have are just travel sizes. These are the travel size of that. And I'm telling you, you would. Now this is the conditioner. Now this is the one that's almost gone. So I would definitely be out purchasing the larger bottles. I am, when I say taken back by it, and with my hair, it's gray as we could tell, or white or whichever. It's lacking pigment at this point. It is kind of, I wouldn't say dry, you need moisture. Well, definitely need moisture to it, but it's wiry. It kind of does its own thing. But when I tell you that conditioner and now you gotta add the hair steamer to it. Next level. I'm telling you, my strands seemed like each strand had plumped up 100%. It was like, just try it. You must try. I love it. It was easy to comb out. It was easy to just style. The styling part was so much simpler and faster, you know. It was my combing after I conditioned and stuff was 100% better. You know, the slip was better. Definitely after conditioner. The shampoo is okay. I'm a fan of the conditioner, so I will lean more towards the conditioner. But I am a believer in, when I do wash my hair, I do believe in using the conditioner and the shampoo of the same line together. I feel like you get the most of what you're supposed to have from the line. If it's hydrating, you'll get most of your hydration. So maybe the shampoo was what cleansed it and got it together for the conditioner to do its job, because the conditioner came in and just showed out. I'm just saying. I'm just telling you. But I really did like it. I can't say any. Come on, y'all. Take a look. Take a look. So, yes, I am a fan of it. And if you have not had a chance to purchase it or even use it or whatever, I tell you, do. Yes, I do. I would definitely put my stamp of approval on it. Try it. It does exactly what it says it does. Now that's me. Now she has a line that has a lot of other things to it. I haven't had a chance to purchase those other things, but then this is the other one that I got. And this one is the Fortifying Treatment Discovery Kit. So it has in here the hair oil. Oh, I put a little of that on when I got ready to sit up under the hair steamer. I put the conditioner on, combed it through, then I used a little of the oil to put on the ends of my hair, really to seal the ends of my hair, and set up under that. It was the bomb. Now, if your hair is thinner, let me say this first. If your hair is thinner, I wouldn't probably use the oil on wet hair. So think about that. I probably wouldn't. I know I wouldn't if my hair was thinner. But with my hair being thicker and my ends are so like spongy, I don't know what they are. They ain't even spongy, girl. They just thick. They are so thick. But this is the kit, and like I told you, I got two of the same kits. So the one I showed you, I have two of those. But this is the oil right here. And it's light. It's not heavy, but it's light. But I like using it once I was up under the hair steamer. I really do like putting this on my hair first before I get up under the hair steamer. So that's this in the kit. And then it has, this is, I guess it's a different steps you have to use or whatever. This is step 1 right here. And it is fermented rice and rose protein powder. Okay, so that's this one. Then you have step 2, which is the silk rinse. I can't wait to try this. I really can't wait to try this now. Silk rinse, okay. The reconstructing treatment mask is right here. And then it's the hair oil. So it's like 4 things. The hair oil, it's 4 things. So you have the hair oil in this kit, you have the reconstructing mask, then you have the step 1, which is the fermented rice and rose protein, and then you have the number 2, which is the silk rinse. Now the protein, you got to be careful about how much protein you use on your hair. So I would use protein for myself. I use it on my gray hair maybe, I would say 6 weeks to 8 weeks. Every 6 to 8 weeks I use it, but only if I feel like I might need the protein. So that's that. And these are the 4 things that come in that kit. And then the other kit, like I said, was the hydrated shampoo and conditioner kit. So yeah, I do like this. Now for the other kits, I don't know, but this right here, it's a banger. It's a winner. It is, yeah. That hype came with some backup. Definitely some good backup. So those are my thoughts. And if you have tried it, let's talk about it down here in the description. I'm sorry, in the comment section. Y'all know it's been a while. I'm trying to come back, and it's taking me a minute to get myself together because I done filmed this about 6-7 times just to get to this. If you're new here and you watch me all the way to the end and you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Hit it. Okay. And then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any notifications of new videos. And a matter of fact, everybody, even the old time, go ahead, hit that notification bell again, just so you'll be notified of the new ones, just in case I don't come up on your feed no more. You know, it's been a while. So go ahead and you hit that notification bell. And don't forget to like. Please like and share the video. It helps me out a lot. It really does. But I thank you guys for watching today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next. Bye-bye.